In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to create beautiful cutting boards with the LOKLik iEngrave. So for this LOKLik iEngrave, I have opened the LOKLik Idea Studio. LOKLik is associated with HTVRONT, and so it's so easy to do. I have the Idea Studio open here, and so now you just go over here to my device and you find the one that you're using. I have the LOKLik iCraft as well. And I'm going to go down here to the LOKLik iEngrave. And you just click on that. And now I am going to bring in my designs. So I actually made some designs that I want to use in my engraving here. So let me scroll down here and find the one that I want to use here in my downloads. So we'll go back down here. I just saw it right here. And I'm going to open these up so that you can see. I'll make these bigger so you can see some of my designs here. And I think I'm going to do grown-up lunchable here. So I'm going to put this in. I'm going to be putting this on a bamboo cutting board. So I'm going to let this shrink it down. So now what I'm going to do is I brought this in. It is a PNG image that I designed. So now what I want to do is I'm going to make this 10.49. I already did my measurements on this. 10.5, I guess, is close enough. And so we'll get this up here. Let's see if I can drop that down just one. Get pretty close. See if I can go and just get it right in close enough. 10.48. All right, so now we hit make. And it's going to say connect device. I'm going to connect my device here. First thing I'm going to do though is I want to go back and I want to make sure this is all the way up in the edge here, up in the corner. All right, so now connect device here, and I want to use my LOKLik iEngrave. So hit next, and now I'm going to search for my device. I have it all connected here, and there it is. So I'm going to connect my LOKLik iEngrave. And I am going to complete the connection here. So now we see that we're ready to go. So I'm doing flat. I'm not doing a cut or a rotary. So now I'm going to click my image here. And then I'm going to go down here to the material library. And since this is a bamboo cutting board, I am going to check bamboo there. And LOKLik takes all of my information and it sets it up as to what we need for this bamboo cutting board. So I am going to leave this exactly as it is. So now I'm going to hit next. And now what it is going to do is it's going to give us an opportunity to frame out our design. So I'm going to hit frame here and I'm going to watch it frame out the design. And you can hear it running in the background. It's going over my cutting board so that it knows exactly where it's going to cut. So I'm going to frame that again. Framing in progress. So we're going to let that go. And let that go one more time so you can actually watch the outline of your design. So now we've got that done. And now the origin, that's just to get your LOKLik engraver, the laser back in its original position. So I'm going to add this to the task and I am going to start this cutting. I'm going to take a second here to add it to the task. Get this going and there it is. It's ready to go. So you just hit start and it goes. So here we go. And I'll come back when it's done. So now you can see that my LOKLik has started engraving. And you can also watch your actual progress happening. Be sure to wear your protective gear and be in a well-ventilated area for this. It's coming along quite nicely. And now we're at about 39%. Almost done. We are so close. The settings in the LOKLik iEngrave by HTVRONT make it so easy. It takes the guesswork out for a beginner that wants to start laser engraving and laser cutting. You can see the different shades in the laser cutting as it goes over the parts of this bamboo cutting board that are slightly different. I just love that effect. I guess that would be called the wood grain that is showing the different coloration here. Not much left now. It turned out perfect. Again, like I said, LOKLik makes this software so easy to use. So to clean up this cutting board, I like to use a food grade mineral oil. I'll have a link below for this. And here you can see I've added some of that mineral oil, and it just really brings the color out from the engraving. Here is the completed cutting board. It turned out so well. The LOKLik iEngrave is incredibly easy to use. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.